Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Edel update for you guys. Edel is actually doing pretty well, man, in this market, in the market conditions that we have. I'm actually so impressed with the price action that we have. Mention Edel back here, when was this? In November, and it was at 27 cents, 26, not 27 cents, 2.6 cents, 2.7 cents. So around 20. What market cap? 26 million market cap FDV? Yeah, 26, 27 million market cap FDV. It went on a nice run and then went to 100 million market cap FDV. Then it had a huge sell off, right? You had the chance to accumulate around 2 cents, 22 million FDV, 23 million FDV. Then it moved back up to around 40 mil, 44 mil FDV. Then it pulled right back down to 24 mil FDV once again to 25 mil FDV. Now this is the thing, I did not call this bottom at 22 mil FDV because I wasn't sure it was bottomed. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't confident. That's why when I saw it bounce, like I said, to 26, 27 mil market cap once again, I was like, okay, now we could get some exposure to it. Now we could take a stab at Edel, and it's been climbing up ever since from that 27 mil FDV. Now it's at 39 mil FDV. Great price action, like one of the coins that is actually going up in these market conditions. That is amazing, honestly. You know how difficult it is to find a coin that is actually going up in this market. It has been dreadful, right? It's been a hellscape. And this is the craziest part. Now, obviously, unless you're trading on the Solana casino, right, where Solana is just, one random meme all of a sudden is that from, pre-bond and 20K market cap to 20 mil market cap. You're like, huh? Where did that come from? But the chances of being able to, position yourself in those projects is so impossible, because there's traders that are using these many tools, multiple wallets, all this, bundling and, insider type of stuff happening, right? This is why I'm trading on base, because, there's projects like Edel where you could, get exposure and still have a great upside. You could get exposure at certain price entries and still get great upside. It's not instant pump and dump, and if the product delivers, if community is still there, more than likely you see a comeback. You see the project building once again, right? So that's why you see right here, you see Edel right now at 39 mil market cap from 23 mil at the low, 22 mil at the low FDV, and it's actually gaining against Bitcoin. So these are the type of projects you want to position into, projects that still outperform Bitcoin in these market conditions. Now this is the thing, right? Edel is in the same spot that Zora is, that Surge is, the other projects I cover on the channel. It's close to around the same spot. But again, all three projects, Edel included, right, has the potential to get to $1 to $5 in market cap, right? $5 in price, not market cap. $5 in price, right? So right now, Edel is at 40 million FDV. That's what I look at, the FDV, right? So $1 for Edel is not far-fetched. That's $1 billion market cap. $5 for Edel is not far-fetched, because if you compare it to Ondo, which is like the only other project that really falls into what Edel is doing, and Ondo right now is at 1.5 billion, but also 1.5 billion circulating market cap and around 5 billion FDV, right? Ondo got to around I think 30 to 35 billion FDV market cap and 5 billion circulating market cap, right? So like a 4x, 25 to 30 billion. So it's at 1.5 right now circulating. Let me pull it up and show you guys. I just want to, because I'm speaking without actually showing you. So as you can see right here, Ondo right now is at 1.4 billion, right? And at its all-time high, which was at the start of the year, this was January 30th, it got to 5 billion circulating market cap, right? Because that's what CMC shows. As you can see, 1.43 billion. It shows the circulating market cap, not the FDV, the circulating, right? So if Ondo got from 1.4 to 5 billion, that's like a 3x. So that means its FDV went to like 15 billion, around 15 to 18 billion, somewhere in that range, FDV, right? So if Ondo went to 15 to 18 billion FDV, who's to say Edel can't get to 5 billion, right? Market cap. I'm saying, who's to say Edel can't get to 5 billion FDV, the same as Ondo right now, right? The same as Ondo, 5 billion FDV. I think that's possible, man. I really do. I really do think 5 billion FDV for Edel is possible because tokenized stocks, tokenization of stocks. You see Coinbase making announcements for it. You see Solana has X stocks as well. And one great utility for stocks that is not unlocked as yet is DeFi for stocks. More than likely, you're going to see leverage trading for stocks, perps for stocks. You could long and short these stocks on like 50x leverage. I'm sure somebody will build that, right? I saw Frank B. Gods, which is a big KOL, talking about leverage on stocks, perps on stocks. Well, there's nobody that has tapped into DeFi on stocks, and that's what Edel is trying to accomplish, right? You see AV and CRV, massive DeFi protocols, and they are like some of the top DeFi protocols in the space. Edel is in that same spot, in my opinion, but this time it's just for stocks, right? So that's this great utility, man. Imagine the institutions, Wall Street, etc., could get 30 to 50% APR, 100% APR. Maybe there's an LP pool that is tied in with veefriends. You see right here, veefriends has a 14,000% APY with Edel on and wrapped ETH, right? Who's to say they don't have crazy liquidity pools for stocks paired with Edel? That's the use case right there. You buy some Edel, you buy some of whatever stock you wanna have, you pair that liquidity, and then boom, you could get 1,000% APY. Now, obviously, I might be exaggerating, but I would think at least 20 to 50% APY is gonna be, the standard, or 10 to 20%, way more than you would see in the typical TradFi space, right? So again, I think Edel, in my opinion, is gonna be a massive runner, massive gem, and yeah, I think they have the testnet demo today, sometime later today. So make sure you guys tune into their X page for that. Make sure you guys tune into their X page for the demo, right? And you have founders that are docs that are building out the project. This is the space that we're in. You have to take those risks, and obviously, the more risk you take, the more rewards you make, or the more you lose. That's how it works, right? That's how it works in this space, man. So tonight they have co-founders James Sherborne and Andres Salt displaying the testnet for you guys and doing giveaways and stuff like that as well. So make sure you tune in at 7 p.m. UTC on the Edel Finance X page. So make sure you guys tune into that. Again, I think this is a multi-billion-dollar project, right? We saw what happened with Kita. I got to make that reference. KTA got to 1.6 billion. It's correcting right now, consolidating. It's probably going to make its next move to 5 billion. So I think Edel is on that same path for the utility that it provides. Not anything else, but for what it provides, its value, right? Its use case, right? That's what we're more focused on this channel. So as always, thank y'all for tuning in. None of this is financial advice. I'll catch you in the next